Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Susan Gold. Today we are going to create a super cute and easy hairstyle that is perfect for school or playtime. So guys, I'm not going to be showing you guys only how to style this hairstyle. I'm going to give you some tips or tell you some tips on how you can maintain the hair and how you can treat the hair before you start making the hair. I've said in my previous video, before you start styling hair, you have to always remember to spray the hair either with just water or with rosemary water, but spray it before you moisturize the hair. So what I did, I sprayed her hair with water first before I moisturize it. I detangled, the reason why you have to do this is to detangle the hair. If there's any hair that is tangled, you have to detangle it with moisturizing and also spraying. So please don't fail to spray the hair first before you moisturize it, like it is recommended. All right. So have you taken your comb? So after I sectioning the hair, I have to use Shanajan to clear the parts. So I will be able to like just maintain it. Right. So it must not be Shanajan you use. Have other hair gel you can use. And I've tried so many one. Sometimes I use some that I will just like run back to Shanajan. I don't know why my camera is not focusing. Ah please let's just manage it, okay? So after you do that, make sure the hair is soft and the hair has detangled before you start making the hair. So that way it will be enjoyable for you to make, and the process you're also styling her hair, she will also be enjoying it without having any pain. All right. And it also helps the hair from damaging, like when you detangle your hair before you start styling it. It doesn't matter if it's your kids or an adult. It is recommended you detangle your hair first, like you treat it with water, either with just clean water or rosemary water. We all know that rosemary water is a very good treatment for our hair. But if you don't have it, don't worry. Just apply clean water and before you apply. So while I explain it to you guys, I don't really know what is wrong with my camera. Guys, please sorry. Let's just let's manage it, okay? So you see this side I'm making now, I'm just gonna weave everything up. So this hairstyle is easy to follow. Just look at my hand, try to focus, okay? I know my camera is not focusing right now, but just try to look at what I'm doing right here. So before you make this hairstyle, you have to part it straight first, as if you want to make either Ghana braid or feed in braid or just normal cornrow. Part it first straight. So before you start cutting it little by little, I made the part, I section the part square. So if you want to make it oval, which is circle, you can also make it. All right, but it depends on the look you like to have. So this one is square part. So maybe another one I'm going to be creating now, and next time I'm going to be making oval, which is circle. Okay, so by the time you make one, so before you add the other one to it, don't just add it before you start weaving it. All right, if not, you will be dragging the one you are adding to it too much. That is why sometimes when you finish making hair, your child will be complaining that, "Ah, my hair is paining me." So but when you make that one you want to add hair to first, like just take a look at what I'm making now. Now I'm applying a gel, right? I comb it, then then after that, take a look. I'm going to hold it, part it into three. See, I weave it one, I weave it again, So now already, it's not longer undo hair. I have made it a little bit far before I had that one to it. So there is no way she will have pain. All right. So I hope you understand the way I just explained it now. So this is how you do it, the way um it will not be painful, all right? Because it is very important the person you are styling, which is this child you are styling her hair, she will be enjoying it, like, and you will be enjoying it too. Okay. And when you are parting or when you are making your child hair, so when you are sectioning the hair and you see that some part has hold your comb while you put your the comb you're using for the section, please stop, spray that place, if possible moisturize it, then you can comb it again before you continue. Don't drag it like, let me drag it open. No, because it's just like when you plant a flower, some flower they are not doing well. You have to like, okay, let me try and help this flower to also help the other ones, right? So that is how it is. So this is how you should do it. And another thing, guys, whenever you are styling your child hair, I recommend it. Just do this with your children. Okay. Let them choose the kind of hair you want to make for them. Like some kids, they don't like to choose style. Some they like a competition. Most children they like competition. Like, you just call your child. Do you see this hairstyle? Yes. Do you like it? Yes. Would you want me to make it for you? If she like it, she say, yes, please make it for me. So you keep reminding her, I want your hair to be more beautiful than this one. She will be happy. She will be happy to allow you to make her hair. So whenever she wants to like, you say, don't you want your hair to look beautiful more than the ones you just saw? Definitely she will say yes because they love competition. And another thing is kids. They like to also eat something while making hair. Some kids, a lot of kids, they love. Now my camera is back. Thank you. A lot of kids, they love tablets. When you give children tablets, it makes them just leave you to be doing whatever you are doing on their hair or focus on what they are watching. Please, mommy, as you are making your kids' hair, please, please, please be watching, their tablet along with them, what they are watching if it's something nice, okay? So that just by the way. So now that we are done with the other parts, if you see what I'm doing right now, I am just sectioning it very round and big. I'm using rubber band to hold the hair. So this is how I finish everything. Now it's finished. I'm going to start using okay, here is the front part of it. I finished doing the back. So I use rubber band to hold everything, but I also use Shanazan um to smooth the parts, to clear the parts, and also to try to brush the front hair along with it. So I try as much as possible not to hold the hair in her front too much, because the more you try to drag the hair, because front of our hair is not that long, so the more you try to draw it so that you can pack it along with the hair, the more you are stressing the hair and is damaging the hair. Okay, try to avoid it. You can later, after you finish making the hair, just use brush to brush it. So now we are done. Yeah, this is how the packing, this is how it is. It's not much. Okay, so I'm just gonna start using, she choose blue hair. This is how it is. Now this is the last one, and the attachment is the extension is quite long, but I didn't finish it. I just make it half, then trim it. You use your rubber band at the end and trim it, put it in the hot water. That's it, guys. It's so easy. So have you gotten the style? So if you try it, you didn't get it, don't worry. Okay, just try it next time, and I believe you will you will be able to get it next time. And when we keep doing it, definitely you will know how to make it. So me that know how to make my kids' hair now, it starts from somewhere. All right. So if this is your first time of coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So you see, I am trimming it now, the remaining parts. So because before I finish, I use rubber band and I'm going to put it in a hot water. So we are done. So tell me, if you like this hairstyle, give this video a thumbs up, comment, drop your comment in the comment section, and yeah, I will be sending you a hug in my next video. Until then, I wish you a very good weekend and see you next week. One love. Bye for now. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for your endless support. I appreciate you all, both my new and my old subscribers. I won't be here if not for you guys, if not for your support. So I do really appreciate you all for supporting our channel. Until then, stay safe and remain blessed. Bye for now.